Good morning. আমি আজি chapter 5 continuity and differentiability লৈছো প্ৰথমতে আমি continuity ওপৰত ডিসকাস কৰি লওঁ first and foremost আমি continuity of a function at a particular point আমি এটা পইণ্টৰ কাৰণে continuity ডিসকাস কৰিম so তোমাৰ general common language চাব গলে say you have a this graph your x axis and this is your y axis আমি এই কার্ভ ডালক আমি নাম দিছো f of x it a continuity of this graph আমি কেনে কব পাৰো if we can draw this curve without lifting up the pen or pencil আমি যদি এই গ্ৰাফখন draw কৰিব পাৰো such that graph draw কৰোতে আমাৰ কোনো breakage point নাই that means আমি continuously smoothly আমি এই কোনো পেন্সিল ডাল নুঠুৱাকে আমি এই গ্ৰাফখন or এই কাৰ্ভখন draw কৰিব পাৰো তেতিয়া তোমাৰ commonly this function is said to be but continuous second discontinuous কেতিয়া হ'ব সোৱা discontinuous একে গ্ৰাফখনে লৈছো but আমাৰ ইয়াত কি হৈছে এই পইণ্টত আমি draw কৰি আছো নেকেনেকে draw কৰি আছো but আমাৰ এই পইণ্টটো ধৰা x = -2 x = -2 আমাৰ ব্ৰেকেজ আছে গ্যাপ আছে that means আমি এনেকে ইয়ালৈকে এন্ড হোক কৰিছো আকৌ আমি ইয়াৰ পৰা স্টাৰ্ট কৰিছো draw কৰি আছো ইয়াত এন্ড হৈছে আকৌ আমি ইয়াৰ পৰা স্টাৰ্ট কৰিছো that means there is a gap at the point what 1 that means a complete graph khonot amar we have to lift our pen and again start that means this graph is not smooth means there is a breakage or gap again at this point x = 1 there is again a break or gap আমি continuously ইয়াৰ নিচিনাকে pencil continuously move কৰিব পৰা নাই continuously আমি smoothly move কৰিব পৰা নাই but here আমাৰ কি হৈছে at the point -2 আমি pencil lift কৰিছো similarly here at the point 1 আমি আকৌ pencil lift কৰিছো আকৌ আমি start কৰিছো ইয়াত আমাৰ value নাই so what we can say this graph is discontinuous কোন কিটা পইণ্টত x = -2 because x = -2 আমি end কৰিছো আকৌ start কৰিছো similarly at x = +1 আমি at end কৰিছো আকৌ আমি এটা বেলেগ পইণ্টত বেলেগ ভ্যালু পাইছো at x = 1 so this graph is what not continuous or comparing this graph is continuous because we can draw smoothly clear the mathematically অলপ চাই লওঁ now we have this function আমি কেনেকৈ define কৰিছো value 1 হ'ব কেতিয়া whenever x is less than equal to 0 draw কৰি লৈছো আমি x axis y axis x is less than 0 or equal to 0 x = 0 আমাৰ fx of value কি হয় 1 যেতিয়া আমাৰ x = 0 হয় fx of value 1 হয় x is less than 0 তুমি -0.1 লোৱা -0.1 x = -0.1 লোৱা তোমাৰ which is less than 0 হোৱাৰ কাৰণে fx of value কি হ'ব 1 হ'ব fx of value 1 x = -1 লোৱা -1 is less than 0 x = -1 which is less than 0 আমাৰ কোনটো কন্ডিশন হ'ব fx আমাৰ কি হ'ব 1 হ'ব তো তোমাৰ ইয়াত value 1 put কৰিবা similarly for all x less than 0 আমাৰ fx corresponding value কি হ'ব 1 so আমাৰ 1 এনেকৈ গৈ থাকিব clear next তোমাৰ আছে কি x greater than 0 কাৰণে আমাৰ কি হৈছে ইয়াত 2 x greater than 0 লোৱা ইয়াত হৈছে আমাৰ 2 x = 0.1 লোৱা x = 0.1 plus 0.1 x = plus 0.1 which is what greater than 0 somewhere here it will be x = 0.1 somewhere here তেতিয়া আমাৰ fx correspondingly কি হয় 2 so ইয়াত আমাৰ 2 হ'ব x = 1 লোৱা capital 1 which is greater than 0 তোমাৰ correspondingly fx কি হ'ব 2 1 greater than 0 আমাৰ fx value 2 হ'ব তো তোমাৰ for any value of x which is greater than 0 এফালে right hand side of 0 right hand side of 0 right hand side x greater than 0 কাৰণে আমাৰ fx কি হয় value 2 হয় ঠিক আছে so আমাৰ this is our graph for this function fx defined by this এটা আমাক কি চেক কৰিম আমি ফাংশনটো কন্টিনিউটি or discontinuity check কৰিম গ্ৰাফখনৰ পৰা সুন্দৰকৈ দেখা গৈছে that তোমাৰ discontinuity হয় কিয় discontinuity হয় তোমাৰ এই 0 পইণ্টত 0 পইণ্টৰ for this x equal to 0 x equal to 0 আমাৰ left hand side আমাৰ কি হৈছে 1 হৈছে আৰু right hand side আমাৰ কি হৈছে 2 হৈছে so clearly আমাৰ এই গ্ৰাফখন কি হয় discontinuity কোনটো পইণ্টত 0 because আমি গ্ৰাফখনত ড্ৰ কৰিবৰ কাৰণে আমি ইয়াত গ্ৰাফখন কেনেকৈ ড্ৰ কৰি আছা পেন লিফট কৰিছা আকৌ ইয়াৰ পৰা ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিছা ইয়াত তোমালোকে এন্ড হৈছে আকৌ আমি ষ্টাৰ্টিং ইয়াৰ পৰা কৰিছো that means graphically আমাৰ pictorially graphically দেখা গৈছে এই গ্ৰাফখন তোমাৰ discontinuous হয় কোনটো পইণ্টত at x equal to 0 হেতুৱে আমি এতিয়া mathematically check কৰিব লাগিব তোমালোকে first year left hand limit right hand limit at a particular point পাইছিলা এতিয়া আমি continuity at a particular point check কৰিবলৈ আমি কি find out কৰিম left hand limit and right hand limit of that particular point এতিয়া ধৰা আমি check কৰিছো for this function continuity at the particular point x equal to 0 at the point x equal to 0 আমি continuity check কৰিম so কি কৈছিলো আমি left hand limit আৰু right hand limit check কৰিম for this particular function at the point what x equal to 0 যদি left hand আৰু right hand limit একে হয় আমি কি কম the function is continuous at the which point x equal to 0 এটা left hand limit check কৰিবলৈ আমি কি কৰিম আমি 0 left hand limit কেনেকৈ check কৰিছিলো আমি 0 লে approach কৰিছিলো we are approaching to 0 at x equal to 0 কৈছে সেইকাৰণে আমি 0 লে approach কৰিছো left hand limit ফালৰ পৰা that means from left hand side we are approaching to 0 from left hand side that means left hand side পৰা approach কৰিছো that means for all x what which are less than 0 left hand side so all x less than 0 limit উলিয়াবা first year এইবিলাক তোমালোকক কোৱা হৈছিলে limit x tends to 0 f of x 0 minus that means we are approaching to x from left hand side for all x less than 0 what we have here for all x less than 0 we have what fx equal to 1 we have fx equal to 1 means left hand limit of the function fx when we are approaching to 0 from which side left hand side all x less than 0 we have fx equal to 1 এটা নাকি ডিফাইন কৰা হৈছে all x less than 0 we have x equal to 1 এতিয়া আমি right hand limit check কৰিম right hand limit check কৰিবলৈ আমি 0 কোন ফালৰ পৰা approach কৰিম we will approach to 0 from which side right hand side বুলি কোৱা হৈছে that means for all x greater than 0 all x greater than 0 তোমাৰ limit x tends to 0 plus f of x equal to কি x greater than 0 কাৰণে f of x corresponding value কি আছে 2 পাইছা ঠিক আছে আৰু x equal to 0 আৰু x equal to 0 তোমাৰ corresponding fx of value কি হয় so x equal to 0 তোমাৰ f of x কি হয় 1 x equal to 0 হলে corresponding f of x value তোমাৰ 1 হ'ব that means x equal to 0 f of x এটা 0 put কৰি দিয়া 0 equal to 1 এর মানে কি লিখিছা left hand আৰু right hand limit একে আছে this is your left hand limit তুমি value 1 পালা right hand limit value তুমি 2 পালা these are not equal these two values are not equal therefore what you can say these two values are not equal f of 0 2 is not equal to 1 therefore not continuous at x equal to 0 clear second function ta check koya para aru eta function define aru eta example loisu tumalokor this function common different ase function to fx equal to ki plus 1 x not equal to 0 x not equal to 0 means x will be less than 0 aru tumar ki hobo x greater than 0 so tumar x less than 0 tumar ki hoise plus 1 when x is less than 0 x of values ni tumar 0 ke horu jotke horu boli kola tumar minus jotke horu boli kola minus 0.0001 which is less than 0 minus 0.009 all negative values less than 0 means all negative values so hetu tumar bahut horu hobo pare bahut horu value hobo pare but tumar negative value hobo lagibo aru 0 ke horu hobo lagibo so for all values which are less than 0 to me yet ki paisa fx correspondingly 1 fx tumar ki hobo 1 1 1 1 1 এটা for all x greater than 0 all x greater than 0 for all x greater than 0 fx ako ki paisa 1 e paisa so tumar all x greater than 0 tumar fx ki hoise 1 so this is your graph but tumar x equal to 0 karone when your value is x equal to 0 then tumar ki aise 2 but x equal to 0 tumar value ki aise 2 he kane ami etu hollow circle ki disu kyo disu because x equal to 0 t amar yat 1 hua nai 2 hoise 1 hua nai 2 hoise ekane yat ami dark circle disu aru x 0 t ke horu bor karone tumar 1 hoise aru x greater than 0 bor karone tumar 1 hoise but x equal to 0 kan x 0 karone 1 hua nai 1 no huar karone ami at white circle disu aru je 2 hoise 2 huar karone ami 2 point ut ami dark circle disu clear ita amar ei function to continuous hoy ne nohoy kuntu point at check korim ami critical point ki ase critical point mane jontu point at tumar function to define kora hoise critical point amar x equal to 0 ase so ami x equal to 0 t ami function to continuous hone na check korim te left hand limit lom agor nisne left hand aru right hand limit jodi equal hoy aru logote function value at that particular point equal hoy tete ami ki kom the function is continuous the left hand value check koriba x less than 0 x is approaching to ami kontu point check korisu x equal to 0 so left hand limit x is approaching to 0 from which side left hand side of approach kore that means x less than 0 so tumar x less than 0 karone tumar corresponding fx value ki hoise 1 1 aru similarly you are approaching to x from right hand side fx value tumar ki hoise 1 right hand side means greater than 0 1 hoise that means tumar 1 paisa but tumar when x equal to 0 when your x is equal to 0 your f of 0 is what f of 0 ami ki paisu fx equal to 0 ki paisu 2 paisu tar mane tumar yat ki dekha goise left hand limit at a particular point what 0 left hand limit at this point is 1 right hand limit at this particular point is also 1 but what but your at the point 0 x equal to 0 your f of 0 is what 2 at x equal to 0 your f of 0 is 2 so this is not equal to 1 these two value is not equal to f of 0 because f of 0 is 2 and left hand and right hand limit at x equal to 0 what we have got 1 these are not equal so what you can say the function is not continuous at x equal to 0 so tumar definition or mode tumi kobo para that a function is continuous at a particular point say c if left hand limit say this is your point c left hand limit that means you are approaching to the point c from left hand side must be equal to the right hand limit at the particular point c that means you are approaching to the point c from which end right hand side and also the value of the function at the point what value of the function at the point c must be equal it means a gute tinta value tomar ki hobo lagibo equal hobo lagibo means limit from left hand side at the point c limit from right hand side at the point c and also value of the function at the point c must be equal then what you will say yes the function is continuous at the point c kuntu point at the point c or tumi shortly kobo para ami first year paislu left hand aru right hand limit ami combinedly likhibo hole ami directly ki likhu limit of fx at the x approaching to c when we combine left hand and right hand limit first year paisa tomaloke left hand or right hand limit combine kori likhila ami limit of fx at the point x equal to c it must be equal to f of c এতিয়া ओके सो तुम्हालोके ए फंक्शन तो ए पार्टिकुलर ए फंक्शन तो लमा आमी कोनটো पॉइंटत चेक কৰিছিলো एट x इक्वल टू 0 पॉइंटत चेक কৰিছিলো আৰু আমি পাইছিলো लेफ्ट हैंड एंड राइट हैंड लिमिट एट द पार्टिकुलर पॉइंट 0 इज सेम बट value of the function at x equal to 0 is not same. That means f of 0 আমি 2 পোৱাৰ কাৰণে আমি এই ফাংশনটো not continuous কৈছিলো at which point at x equal to 0. ओके x equal to 0 इटे बाद दिया हमें बेलेग এটা पॉइंट कन्सिडर करू सोआ x equal to 2 x equal to 2 x equal to 1 x equal to 2 जिकोनो এটা पॉइंट कन्सिडर करा x equal to 1 सोआ when we are approaching to इटे x equal to 1 কৈছো that means আমি left hand limit लम कोनটো पॉइंटत 1 that means we'll approach to x from which side left hand side of 1 আমি approach কৰিছো আমি correspondingly value আমি কি পাইছো 1 paisa x equal to 1 লৈছো আমি x equal to 1 what 1 is not equal to 0 1 is not equal to 0 that means our fx equal to kuntu value habo our corresponding 1 habo clear yes one ami left hand limit loisu jeto 1 is at x equal to 1 loisu x is not equal to 0 1 is not equal to 0 amar fx equal to ki ase 1 fx equal to 1 next right hand limit we are approaching to 1 from which side right hand side itia ami value x value ki loisu 1 x value 1 loisu as to x equal to 1 is not equal to 0 that means our correspondingly f of 1 amar ki hobo 1 hobo that means right hand limit amar ki hobo 1 graphically sabo para we are approaching to 1 from which side right hand side to correspondingly amar value yet ki hoise 1 hoise so tomorrow right hand and left hand limit ki paisa ami for x equal to 1 right hand limit to 1 left hand limit to 1 right hand limit to 1 aru f of 1 so x not equal to 0 x value ami ki loisu x equal to 1 which is not equal to 0 x not equal to jodi 0 hoy then amar f of x ki hoise 1 hoise x equal to 1 which is not equal to x equal to 1 which is not equal to 0 logot equal no hoar karone correspondingly f of x amar ki hoise 1 therefore amar f of 1 amar ki hobo 1 temi ki dekha goise left hand limit at x equal to 1 right hand limit at x equal to 1 is also equal to f of 1 so to me f is continuous at x equal to 1 similarly 2 point at the point 2 kane check kora left hand limit at x equal to 2 left hand limit we are approaching to 2 from which side left hand side correspondingly value ki paisu ami correspondingly fx kole approach koise 1 le approach koise ako tumi right hand limit 2 le approach koise correspondingly value kole approach koise 1 le approach koise and f of 2 is not equal to 0 2 is not equal to 0 therefore fx correspondingly ki hobo 1 so left hand limit 2 le approach koise 1 paisa right hand opar approach koise 1 e paisa and f of 2 x equal to 2 which is not equal to 0 hole correspondingly amar fx value ki hoy tumar 1 hoy aru yat x value ami ki loislu 2 loislu so tumar yat ki hobo 1 hobo so tumar gote tinta value tumar ki ahile 1 ahile so f is continuous at x equal to 2 so a graph khonot particularly a graph khonot or for this function ami the function is continuous for all points sob gote points khini karone amar continuous hoy 1 hok tumar 2 hok 3 hok -1 -2 -3 hok -1.1 hok 1.01 hok protekto pointer karone function to continuous hoy except which point x equal to 0 x equal to 0 bad di tumar protekto pointer karone function to tumar ki hoy continuous hoy clear